Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. We are making ghosts and pumpkins, and we're going to make all kinds of Halloween stuff, like skeletons out of white dough, ghosts. Yeah, that's dough.
Okay, you're gonna make the first thing, which is a ghost.
Yes.
So there's all your tools. Let's make a ghost.
Yeah.
Press it really hard, Abigail.
I make a goose. It's going to be scary today. Okay, I have enough dough for one ghost. I just need to smush it more. Smush it. Make 2 eyes.
Oh,
Actually,
good job.
3.
Here.
Okay, here's the face
We have black.
of a monster.
Look, we have black to put the eyes on.
Yeah.
After you're done making the ghost.
This is a monster, by the way. It's a monster, by the way.
Whoa, let's have a ghost. All right, flatten it out. You got a 3-eyed ghost?
Yep, I got a 3-eyed monster, by the way. Monster!
Wow, that's so pretty, Abigail.
Yeah, shoot. We need white for the rest of the eyes. Really, so I need some of my dough taken apart. Do it. Let's do it.
You're doing it?
Scary
You're
ghost.
facing the reflection.
Here we go.
Woo!
Whoa.
Oh.
Something.
Let me see your scary face. That's awesome, scary face. Please. Smush the rest of the
Oh,
eye.
that's great.
I need a teeny weeny bit more black. So I need to take a teeny weeny bit of black off. Scary girl. Scary girl.
Ooh, wow. He's actually doing really good.
Yeah, I made a good
Oh,
guess.
Abigail, look at
I
that.
wanted to win this contest.
It's not a contest.
I'm
You're just
pretending.
having fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ghost. Mommy's a witch today. It's a ghost. 6-eyed ghost. It's a ghost. It's a 6-eyed ghost. What Halloween thing has purple?
Give me your creation. We're going to make a bat now. Do you want to know what a bat is?
Bat. Yeah, bat.
You know what a bat is?
Bats. Yeah, bat.
We are going to make a vampire or a bat. And we have purple Play-Doh to do it.
Huh. First, we roll it out to make a bat.
Yeah. You want to make a bat
Like wings.
or a vampire?
Vampire. I want to make a bat, Daddy. Like a vampire.
You can make a vampire or a bat.
That's both. Vampire and a bat. Vampire changes into a bat. Yucky!
What does that smell like?
Grapes.
Grapes!
Smells wonderful.
Yucky! It's nummy. It's Play-Doh. 3 eyes. Yeah, 3 eyes. We don't need a knife. We need 2 only. Eyes. Okay. Cut this off to make a wing. There. I want to make a wing. Wing for the vampire. Just roll
You making a bat? A bat has wings.
Like me, I'm making a bat with wings.
One wing, two wings.
Two wings. Try. Let's do it up.
Yeah, mash it up.
Mash it. Mash it. Mash it. And mash it. Gonna make the wings look like real wings, Mommy. Real wings. Like a real vampire. Real wings. Do it.
Roll it.
Now we just take this roller. Yeah. Put it right above that one.
Awesome.
That's a big, big bat. Looks like an elephant with big ears.
Are those your creations?
For me, it's a pumpkin.
Yes. Abigail, are you done with your bat?
You're gonna make a pumpkin out of that?
You're gonna make a pumpkin. Hold
You
on.
are.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
You're gonna roll it like this.
Make a big pumpkin.
Whoops.
But I need some green.
Yeah, we're gonna get green out for the leaves and the stem.
You're gonna make a pumpkin out of that?
Let's eat in
And we're gonna make a pumpkin. Are you done with your bat, Abigail?
This is just a little creation.
You done with your bat?
A big pumpkin. Let me
Very
get
good.
Get the
Very good. Here, now we're gonna make
green,
a pumpkin.
Please. Green, please. I'm done with the orange. Now it's time for the green.
Do you want it to be flat or do you want it to be a circle?
Flat, so I can make a real pumpkin out of flat
Do it, Abigail.
Play-Doh.
Hey, that's actually what a pumpkin looks like.
It's a green.
Make a pumpkin.
Oh, there it is. Should have brought the green out. It's a green.
Okay, we're gonna make the stem and the leaf.
Okay, let me see it. Well, let's make it straight.
Gonna make the stem and the leaf.
Leaf. I got this. Leaf.
Oh yeah. Good job. Make a leaf.
That's awesome.
Kind of looks like an orange.
Oh wow.
I'm doing the same thing.
Oh, are you making a jack-o'-lantern?
Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern.
That's great.
That's great, baby. I'm going to make a bear out of a jack-o'-lantern.
Ah, jack-o'-lanterns.
Jack-o'-lanterns.
You are?
Leaf in the stem.
Amazing.
I don't need much of this green Play-Doh.
Nope.
You don't?
Nope, I'm going to make just a big, big flat circle made out of some Play-Doh.
You don't have to use everything that you're given. You
Then,
draw how you want. You're done with it already? That's so good.
that's
Wow.
good.
Wow.
Then I smush it onto the pumpkin. Okay, let's make something else. Mommy.
What do you want?
I'm gonna take this thing out. And I'm gonna make another jack-o'-lantern. I'm gonna make another one with some of my green.
Nice.
Stitch. Hey, it's stitching. What is something that looks green? What is something that has some green? Scary?
Slime.
Green slime. Hey, I need it. Green slime. I need it, Mommy. Okay, here's some for you. Actually, you can have more. Because I need a very teeny weeny bit for the teeny weeny pumpkin. There's a real stem. Here's a teeny weeny real leaf.
Yeah.
Goose. How about I make slime now?
Ooh.
I made two
Oh, that's
pumpkins.
great.
Pumpkin one.
Yeah, that's great.
pumpkin too.
Yeah. It looks really
Give me
good.
some green for
It's like
slime, please.
a jantalire. A jack-o'-lantern.
Yep.
Very good. She's got the green. You want to give half of that to Raphael? Abigail? You want to give half of your Play-Doh to Raphael?
Share, please. Share with
Give him
Raphael.
half of it.
All of it?
Half
I'll
of
make it half.
Oh.
No!
Abigail, we're sharing. Give her the bigger half.
Yeah, because it was hers to begin with. Give her
Give
the bigger.
half.
Making a bigger half for her
Okay, that's good.
instead.
Roll it, Abigail. Roll it.
Yeah, let's make some slime. It's missing! It's missing! That's poop green slime.
Okay.
Roll it.
How about a green alien?
Oh, I know, Frankenstein.
Frankenstein?
Yeah. Yeah, pull it out.
Oh!
You know who that is?
Frankenstein? We'll have to watch Frankenstein tonight. You want to watch a scary movie?
Frankenstein?
Yeah.
Frankenstein?
Yeah.
Okay, first you have to roll it what? Make it a vampire or something.
A face shape, which is an oval.
The oval I already did.
And then put the eyeballs in.
There's one. There's two.
Ooh.
Now all I need is just black and white, which we already used up.
You can use half of this like this to draw a mouth.
Mouth? No. My mouth!
Right there. She doesn't even know what she's doing. Doing a good
How
job,
about
though.
like this, because it's an alien.
Yeah. Whoa.
It looks like a Frankenstein.
Wow.
It's a Frankenstein.
Let's put it over here with your creations.
No! I need to make it all over again.
No, it's
Just
okay.
No. You did so good.
It's okay. You can just it stuck to the table.
It almost ripped.
Table.
No!
Is that a monster?
It's a monster.
Ah, no.
Well, wait.
Eyeballs.
It's eyeballs. Eyeballs. No, I'll put in eyeballs in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100
Raphael.
eyeballs. Just like that. No, I need an angry Frankenstein. I actually made a happy face. Happy face. Like a happy Frankenstein. Ow!
Is that a monster?
It's a monster.
Ah, no.
Well, wait.
Roll it out. Roll that monster out. Make a good monster. Beautiful design.
There, I made it on my hand.
Where's eyeballs?
Eyeballs? Oh, I forgot. It's eyeballs. Eyeballs. Take it off carefully, time.
Eyeballs. Oh. Are you done with your creation?
It's eyeballs. Okay, can I have something else like a skeleton?
No, this is pretty much all we're going to make today. And then we're going to draw pictures after we're done.
After Abigail's done. Okay, let me put the hearts on mine because mine look the best to my.
It's going to put a mouth on it with 2 eyeballs.
It's 2 eyeballs. Okay.
Is that Slimer? You don't watch He-Man?
Okay, you're done, Abigail, right? Are you done? No.
You have to be patient.
Oh, but she's never going to be done, I think. Eyeballs.
1.
She made 2. Then roll it out and then give it to Molly and we're going to draw pictures.
Whoa.
Put it on Abigail's side.
Oh, it's so good, Abigail. We're going to take pictures now. This side is Raphael's. So we have a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. Here's a pumpkin. Look how that's pretty accurate. We have a Frankenstein. We have a bat. And we have a 6-eyed ghost. And on Abigail's side,
Identical.
she has the same things, but she has This is really nice, and this is really nice. It's like a skeleton slash ghost, bat, and Frankenstein. Or maybe it's a Slimer, I don't know.
Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.